Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're looking to explore the incredible world of nutrition and health, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of pomegranates. These delicious and nutritious fruits are packed with a myriad of benefits that can contribute to your overall well-being. So, let's peel back the layers and discover the amazing advantages of consuming pomegranates. Rich in antioxidants. Pomegranates are loaded with powerful antioxidants, such as polyphenols and flavonoids. These compounds help protect the body against oxidative stress, which is linked to various chronic diseases and aging. Heart health. Pomegranates may have a positive impact on heart health. They have been shown to reduce blood pressure, lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and improve overall cholesterol profile, which can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in pomegranates have anti-inflammatory effects. Regular consumption may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is implicated in many chronic diseases. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that pomegranate compounds, such as ellagic acid and punyl agins, may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and potentially reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. Digestive health. Pomegranates are a good source of dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Immune system support. Pomegranates are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system. Adequate vitamin C intake can help the body fight off infections and illnesses. Skin benefits. The antioxidants in pomegranates can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and UV rays. Some studies suggest that pomegranate extract may promote collagen production and improve skin health. Joint health. Pomegranates may have a positive impact on joint health due to their anti-inflammatory properties. They might help reduce symptoms in individuals with conditions like arthritis. Weight management. Pomegranates are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, which can contribute to feelings of fullness and aid in weight management by reducing overeating. Memory and cognitive function. Some research indicates that the antioxidants in pomegranates may have neuroprotective effects, potentially supporting brain health and cognitive function. However, more studies are needed in this area. It's important to note that while pomegranates offer many potential benefits, they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today to explore the fantastic benefits of pomegranates. Remember, incorporating these vibrant fruits into your diet can be a fantastic step towards a healthier you. From antioxidants to heart health, anti-inflammatory properties to immune support, pomegranates offer a range of goodness. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights into the world of health and wellness. And always remember, a balanced diet and lifestyle are key to unlocking the full potential of these incredible fruits. See you next time.